What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to today's video. Last video we discussed how there was a fourth wave rally incoming, and that's what we got. So if you're missing out on these videos, I highly suggest you subscribe, turn on your notifications, that way you're notified ASAP and you're able to act accordingly before it's too late. Now, back a few days ago, last week, I was also calling for a major pullback towards our $200 range. That's exactly what we got. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour chart. Let's find out what should be happening in the coming rallies. Now, right here, we have our Elliott Wave structure. Market completed its 5 moves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And right now, this is a corrective wave. A corrective wave tends to be an ABC correction. So just like what we're witnessing right now, ABC. And then what we should be seeing is some type of pullback to the downside. So we might see a somewhat U-turn in the coming days and hours. And the reason this is happening is because we're forming second wave bottom. Second wave cannot, I don't know how else to tell you guys this, but it cannot be all the way up here. It just looks ridiculous and it doesn't follow the structure, the proper healthy structure. Because once this second wave is triggered, and look at previous history, once a second wave is triggered, we go for third wave, fourth, and later fifth. All right, so third wave should be at approximately, give or take, 787, and then fifth wave right afterwards. Now on a bigger time scale, right here, this would be considered our 1, 2, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So overall structure is extremely bullish. On the daily time frame, much bigger time frame, we're headed for this fifth wave upwards of $2,400 range. All right, and this is nothing new. Once again, on this long-term target, I discussed more in depth how we got here. I hope you all enjoyed this video, gave you some type of insight of what's happening on the shorter time frame. With that being said, I'll see you all in the next video.